Okay, so this is going to be a hot setup right here. I'll show you guys why momentarily. So, long story short, this trade was a simple breakout, and it's during the New York session. DN stands for downtrend. It's basically telling you this, where's the trend heading down. Channel. CH stands for channel. So it's a down channel move. The trend is heading down. And then there's a buy opportunity, which means it's telling you the channel is currently down, but there's a breakout for a buy on the downtrend, which you see here is breaking out of this downtrend. This setup with the entry, the stop loss, and take profit, it automatically pops in on your chart when the setup is valid. It can send you an alert. You can go into the alerts, which I did a video on. You guys can see how to set up trade alerts. Only take 30 seconds to do. So when the trade alert come out, it will automatically have this setup. The first thing I do is I glance over here at this dashboard, see what the major trends are saying to me, and then from there I feel more confident. Let me move this line out of the way and I'll explain that momentarily. So the trade hit, we got volume because it's the New York session, and boom, it hits the TP, smashes it, and now it's dropping back down. Why is it dropping back down? Because look at here, 11 a.m. and I told you guys that volume starts to dry up around 11 or 12 Eastern Standard Time, because the London session is starting to slow down. The New York session is about done with what they need to do for the morning. And so volume begins to slow down. Doesn't mean that it can't continue. This could be a pullback and a push back up, but either way it goes, that's the reason why. I like to get in and be done by 11 o'clock. So around between 9:30 and 11, only an hour and a half worth of trading during the New York session is what I look for. I don't want to hold long term and all that kind of stuff. You could, of course, but not for me. I just like to get in and get out and be done when there's enough volume to push this thing, get the target, and get out. Now, the other thing I was looking at, and I want to go over this for those who are curious. Uncle P, what do you do if you see that there's a level right here? Okay, a level that has been tested multiple times, but the TP says to go up here. Well, you can go and let me go out here. This is the 15-minute. You can see on the 15-minute that the level is legit, because up here it has wicked up this way several times. But if you're on the 3-minute time frame and you see these levels, guess what? Your entry was here. Your take profit is up here, but there's nothing wrong with taking your money here. You don't always have to hold it to TP. Money is money. Get what you can get. If you're not sure, guess what? Take the money and run. In fact, when it broke out from here, if you want to say, hey, this is the first candle closed, I'm not sure, and it's just sitting here, this is a hesitation, consolidation. Oh, well, what do you want to do? Take your money. You don't have to hold to TP all the time. If you want to do a quick scalp, then go right ahead. You don't have to. But again, this is telling you where the money is flowing. So, it did hit TP. So either way it goes, this is a winner. There's several ways you can go about it. But, either way it goes, it's good. So in, out, and done. In, out, and done. You're not sitting on the charts all day. And number two, here's something also that's important to me. I really only focus on NQ and 6A, which is the Australian dollar. Only two pairs. It keeps it easy. It keeps me from over trading and always constantly staring at the charts, which, by the way, after I get done recording this video, I'm heading out for the day and go spend some quiet time with God. Nancy's busy, with her day. So I'm just going to go spend some time with God, have a quiet time, and I'm done for today. And then I'll go back and see what happens during the London session. I'm sorry, the New York, Asian session. During the Asian session for my future members. Okay, so you can see the channel right here. Entry, it respected the channel, and boom, take profit got hit. Either way it goes, it was a fun trade. All right, peace and hair grease. I'll see you in the next one.